Hi everybody, I am Carrie Backup and I am a 6th, 7th, and 8th grade special education teacher from the northwest suburbs of Chicago, and this is...
I'm Trisha Backup. I'm Annabeth.
And they are my daughters, and if you have been following us on our journey into idea floods, you know that we love to draw together. Now today is a very special episode. This is 6.3 special edition. We have our very first guest in the house. We are so super excited to welcome
Michael Matera.
Hey! I am super excited to do this idea flood.
Yay, understand.
My daughter and I did the first
Why don't you come sit down?
idea flood.
Challenge.
Oh, can I take? I mean, this is
Trisha's spot.
this is Trisha's spot.
I can
mean,
stand. I know how to stand.
Can you show me how to do the Tish?
I can stand.
Can you show me how to do the action? I mean, you do it
yeah.
so well. Like you go up to the camera.
Action.
There's there's a thing and there's
Like you go like, yeah, I do this. Do it. Like a crocodile. Action.
action.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got that down. I'm feeling better.
So Michael is the author of Explore Like a Pirate. He is an amazing educator and an innovative gamification guru,
Sherpa?
Sherpa.
Yeah.
Nerd.
And most of all, he is a family friend. And so when he came to visit, I had this super crazy idea that I would like to start drawing with people other than my girls. And so I asked Michael, I said, hey Michael, we just released an idea flood.
Happened to me.
Do you want to come and draw with us? And
Of course, right? That's going to be the answer. If Carrie Backham and company asks you to draw, the answer is always going to be yes.
so we hope he is not the first that will come to draw with us. So today he's going to join us on our December.
You mean not the last?
Last, yes.
I
not
am the
last.
first.
You are the first.
It's locked in.
It is. You've unlocked that side quest.
Boom.
Bonus XP for Michael.
I am here because I want to do the idea flood, the December idea flood. We're going to do what? Level 1?
We're going to do level 1.
Right? So this is any holiday thoughts that we have from any time of the year on this paper. And, I mean, like I said, my daughter and I did this together in November. We did the Thanksgiving. We were one of the ones that actually got ours in the last video. I love it.
Everybody got theirs in.
Okay, well, we thought we were a little special.
You are special. You did it. You completed the challenge.
We did. So, but my daughter's going to be pretty jealous that here I am getting to do this idea flood with all of you.
Well, maybe our next guest will have to be Michael Matera.
Mila, that would be super awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's going to happen.
So, Mr. Matera, tell us about a favorite holiday memory that you have.
Wow. A favorite holiday memory.
Hey, T, can I have a black marker? Thank you, Mr. Thank you.
No problem. I have to say I love Christmas. Waking up in the morning, we'd go down. So I was super excited to wake up. So I was the kid that would wake up at 3 a.m. or whatever.
Do you get up at 3 a.m.? Did you wake your brothers and sisters up too?
Yes. They did not like that because they were not that way, but I was super excited.
I used to wake my sisters up on Christmas Day by dumping their stockings all over them in bed. They didn't like me very much for that. So do you have any traditions that you have created with your family now that you have a daughter of your own?
Yes. We have a nice Thanksgiving with our family. We do Christmas cookie making's a big tradition. Like we always have a
we
day,
like cookies.
Day where we go over and make Christmas cookies at my brother-in-law's and sister's house.
We always make this brittle
It's really good. It's like
We make a s'more brittle, don't we?
s'more brittle.
That we give to the teachers, and they love it.
I just would like to point out I'm a teacher and I never got s'more brittle.
Oh, we might have to fix that.
Just saying.
So Christmas is your favorite holiday?
Well, I'm doing currently my other tradition, and that is
I'm helping him.
4th of July.
4th of July is a lot. We like the 4th of
In
July
Port
here too in
Washington.
our house.
In Port Washington, you go down to the harbor and you sit on the breakwater, so no one's in front of you, and they launch the fireworks off.
Mommy, look at
And, like,
Santa corn.
You
That
see,
is so
you
cool.
see the fireworks like off the lake, and
That is awesome.
it's gorgeous.
That reminds me of a
Mommy,
childhood
look at- I
memory
help him.
that I have. You did great, Trisha. We used to do something similar. I grew up in Florida, and so we would go down by a lake and watch that. But we would actually see alligators popping up their
Whoa.
eyes as we were watching the fireworks, and the fireworks would glisten off of their eyes. That was pretty cool.
That is awesome.
What do you like to celebrate, kiddo?
Halloween's kind of good.
Halloween is kind of good. What's your favorite thing about Halloween?
You get to dress up and get candy and pig out.
Candy's a good thing.
Best.
What about you, Annabeth? What's your favorite holiday, kiddo?
I'd have to say Easter because it's closest to my birthday.
Oh yeah, Halloween's close to my birthday.
And we
Trisha,
in the
you
morning
draw a turkey?
after we find the
draw a turkey?
eggs, we
you wanna
always
draw a turkey?
just our breakfast is just pure candy.
Halloween, my family, so my dad was a dentist, and so we wouldn't be allowed to eat much candy. So we'd go and we'd get a bag full of candy. We'd come home and he would make us dump it on the floor. We'd dump out all our candy, and then he would say, "You get to choose 3 candy,
Only
and the rest,
3?
the rest we're gonna throw away."
And
Yes.
did they eat your candy?
Yeah, we found out later as adults that he just hid it behind the couch and ate it the rest of the year.
Nice.
Wow.
Savage.
Such a nice.
Savage. I hope you hear that, Dad.
August. What's in August?
Wait, no.
The starting school holiday?
Oh.
Yes.
No.
Oh, Easter. Nice one, Annabeth. Are you singing for us, Trisha?
Yes.
I don't think Mr. Matera knew that this was going to be a singing vlog.
Turkey. And 4th of July, which is one of my faves.
Just think of every single. Oh.
Oh, I like
Oh
how
my
you guys
God.
are going through in your head and you're visualizing all the holidays for the months. That's excellent. Oh, yeah, that's a fun one. If you can stay up till midnight. I can never stay up till midnight on New Year's Eve.
I love staying up till midnight.
Okay, so.
March, I got March.
When you're
I
the
can color
first
it in.
one.
I don't know if that looks
Is there
like
anything
holly
in
or
June?
not.
It looks fantastic.
St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah, it's always fun.
August.
We got all the holidays.
Easter eggs.
Yeah.
Oh, I do like that tradition.
Yeah, Easter egg traditions. We could add cookies tradition as a tradition here next to this word. The word tradition makes
Guys.
us think of things. So there's cookies.
Guys.
August school starts.
Yay! From my way, it looks like he's got a smile face.
I love my teachers.
Okay, so August, September.
Well, why don't we think of traditions? We can start writing around traditions because we have traditions there.
I'm drawing every single like
Oh, I remember
character
one
I can think of.
Christmas.
Unicorn.
I like Santa. I was super excited for one thing, and then he didn't give me the right thing. But it turns out I was like playing all morning with the thing that Santa got me, and I loved it.
So what adds to memories, you guys? Family. What else adds to memories? Let's add some keywords. Trisha, help me out with this one. What else is for memories?
Mom, I was going to draw there.
Okay, well, there's room right here, kiddo. Can you draw right here?
Cinnabon.
So what else? Oh, cinnamon buns. Yeah, we like that. That's a tradition.
Cinnabons.
Cinnamon buns.
That's
What
what
else?
I put.
What else do we like for memories? Family. Games create memories.
The Great Tamani.
Food and family. Food.
Oh my God, my
Oh, movies create traditions. Sometimes we watch movies around. So, Mr. Matera, you guys celebrate Christmas, yeah?
get it?
So what's your favorite Christmas movie?
Favorite
Sport.
Christmas movie?
Please. How about right here, baby?
Probably either the original like claymation Rudolph, just because I grew up with it. It's really not that good of a movie, but no, it's really not. It's not a good movie at all. But like I grew up with it.
Rudolph.
You like Rudolph?
Yeah.
Probably Christmas Vacation.
That was right
Christmas
here.
Vacation's a favorite. Trisha, what's your favorite Christmas movie, babe?
I like Frosty the Snowman and Rudolph the Reindeer.
What about you, Annabeth?
I like Elf, Home Alone, The Polar Express.
Just one there,
Yeah.
kiddo.
I don't think you understand what favorite means.
No, I can't choose.
You can't choose.
There's three.
Wait,
I think I like Home Alone the best because I used to watch it with my sisters, and that makes it really special.
We only
Wait, I
watch
have a
Elf
question
and
for
Home Alone.
Elf is funny too.
Everyone.
Yes,
Did
Trisha.
anyone, like, when they were little, like, have any other favorite reindeer other than Rudolph? I think I did.
I don't know if anybody gets it.
No.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday's your favorite holiday?
No. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What is that?
Black Friday. You like to save money.
Yes.
Here. Action, 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 action.
Action.
Not you.
All right, you guys.
Action.
This is a wrap for our very first guest
Collab.
collab. Draw
super
with
excited.
Idea Flood guest. We don't really have a name for it, but all we know is it was
Wait.
super fun and it was all kinds of awesome.
I had a blast.
So until next time, you guys, remember when you're sketchnoting,
There are no rules. Light on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. Thank you. Look
All right.
around clouds.
Wait, we gotta wait for Trisha to. Okay, guys, let's wrap things up here. We had a first test.
on our idea.
We had an epic time drawing with him.
Are you ready?
No.
All right, you guys, we are. Get out of the camera.
Hey guys.
Action.
Action. In a kingdom of